Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this tutorial on how to extract the hard drive from your Lenovo IdeaPad G50-80. Before we begin, ensure you have the necessary tools ready. You will need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. Start by powering off your laptop completely and unplugging it from any power source. Remove any connected peripherals, including USB drives and external devices. It's crucial to work in a static-free environment. That's where the anti-static wrist strap comes in handy. Attach it to your wrist and connect the other end to a grounded surface. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws on the bottom panel. Use the Phillips No. 0 screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. There are typically around 10 screws securing the back cover. Make sure to keep them organized, preferably in a small container. Once the screws are removed, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam between the bottom cover and the laptop chassis. Carefully pry open the cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you could damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Locate the hard drive, which is usually housed in a metal bracket. The hard drive is connected via a SATA connector and secured with additional screws. It's essential to take note of how the hard drive is connected for reassembly later. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the hard drive bracket in place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the bracket and disconnect the SATA connector from the motherboard. If you find this process challenging or if you prefer professional assistance, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. After the hard drive is disconnected, you can carefully slide it out from the bracket. Take a moment to inspect it for any signs of damage or wear. If you're planning to replace it with a new drive, ensure that the new drive is compatible with your laptop model. Before you proceed to install a new hard drive or reassemble your laptop, it's a great opportunity to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to remove any dust buildup around the cooling fan and other internal parts. This can help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Now, if you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about completing this task, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about any calls or travel. Our team can handle everything for you. And don't forget, you'll receive a quote before any repair work begins. Once your hard drive is extracted and the internal cleaning is done, reassemble the laptop by following these steps in reverse. Connect the SATA connector to the new or existing hard drive, secure it with the screws, and snap the back cover into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier to ensure everything is secure. Power on your laptop to confirm that the hard drive is recognized. If you encounter any issues during this process, feel free to reach out for professional help, as we're here to assist you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.